Hey, what's up, fam? It's your boy Darren Brown with Darmac Bills coming to you on a beautiful day here in Florida. And as you can see, we're still at it, man. We still getting our grind going. A lot of time still on here. I had a meeting today with the engineers because there were some things I wasn't quite certain of, and I'm glad we had that meeting because we got some things sorted out for the better. And so when you're doing a house like this size, man, you got to make sure that, you know, you cross your T's, dot your I's. As you can see, I got some of the embeds already in, which that was for the steel column. I got one over here, no, two, actually, over here. Some people ask me, okay, why would you do a concrete second floor as opposed to a wood floor? Well, it could be the way the house is designed, or it could be a preference. Some people just don't like wood floors. I mean, like wood trusses or anything like that. So they decided they want to go with a system. It could be an area floor system, which is a concrete precast floor system, hollow core, which is this one's going to be, which is a concrete floor system. You got Hambro. You got several floors, or you got to pour it in place where you form out the floor and pour it yourself, maybe 8 to 10 inches of concrete. I did a few of those as well in my career. So wood trusses are not bad though. I mean, you know, if they install properly, and people talk about, oh, what about the squeaks and this, that, and the other? Well, right now with the nails that they use to lay down the subfloor, or install the subfloor with the ring shank nails, that prevents some of the squeaking. If you're going with a second floor, you can go with 5/8 plywood, and then you can go with 3/4 or 3/4 tongue and groove. And then if you want to go on top of that, which is 5/8 plywood, you can do that. So you can double up on it. Okay, so it's not bad. I mean, it's just you don't know that you have a wood floor unless you know you have a wood floor. You know, in terms of trusses, I would say. And on wood floor, I'm not talking about the floor that you walk on in your house or whatever. I'm talking about the wood trusses. Let me just clarify that, because we're talking about, oh, I got a wood floor. No, I'm talking about the trusses. Okay, so yeah, you can go with regular wood trusses for the floor system, which is no problem. On this particular project, we don't have any wood floor truss systems. This is all going to be concrete. That's the stair opening right there, in between there, which we're going to be doing. But it doesn't matter the size of the house. Okay, some people say, oh, you building a 15,000 square foot house, so that's why they got a concrete floor system. No, it's just that's the way it was designed. You know, I've done houses that were, you know, 2,000 square feet. They had a 2-story. They had concrete second floor. It all depends on what you want, right? The cost in these floors could be a little bit more in cost when you're doing concrete. Well, right now it's probably the same with the wood prices and everything, so that's a touch and go situation for me. But this is where we are right now. So doing a concrete floor system as opposed to a wood floor system, you're going to you're gonna be able to determine what's best for you as far as cost. You know, like, is there certain areas of this floor system that we're doing that's going to be concrete? Like right now, I'm stepping on another slab beam, which have an end bed in. This is going to be poured solid concrete. And then over here, the hollow core floor system is going to go in place. It's going to sit on that tie beam over there, and it's going to come over here and sit on the floor here. And then we got the other stuff that we got going on. Here, this is going to be a deck over here that we don't have the steel in yet, but it's going to be coming soon. Still got steel on the ground, so we got pretty much stuff to go on. There's Rodney over there. Chris is over there. So yeah, this is what we got going here. No, this is just a video I'm doing right now. He was asking me if I was on Facebook. No, I'm just doing a video. Now this here is going to be, we're going to probably do this. I want to say we're going to get to this tomorrow, which is the deck that I'm walking on here. So you're going to be able to come out your bedroom here. That's going to be a big sliding glass door. Walk on this deck here, and then you're going to be out here, and you're going to be able to see out. They're going to trim the tree back a little bit. You're going to have a pool back there, and it's going to be awesome, man. But we haven't installed the steel yet. So that's coming. That's coming. Hey, again, guys, if you like what I'm bringing to you on a daily basis, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Darmac Builders. I try to come to you guys with the real stuff, give it to you raw. It's not gonna always be pretty, but it is what it is. I want to give you the true meaning of construction here. And then also, you see the hose right there? That's for my drain for the patio deck here. That's a drain there. Just give you guys a little look-see. That's the drain. That's gonna go, that right there is gonna go in that bowl right there. Got 3 of them actually. So the water so when we pour this, we gotta pitch it, slope it, what you guys gonna see when we get to that point. That's the second one there. And then we got the third one over here that you see up there. Okay. Again, like I said, today was kind of unique where we had a lot of stuff done. But I had a lot of stuff I had to do with the engineers, structural engineers, you know, talk, this, that, and the other, go some things that I wasn't quite comfortable with. But like I said, we got it solved. Here you see a tie beam here. Okay, as you can see how we right up on the wood, you really don't see it, but this tie beam is done. All the steel is done. So we got a rhythm. We're going all the way around and then until we get to the other side. Hopefully by next week I'll have this thing ready to pour. And then it's got to set up and cure and all that good stuff. And then we go up to the second floor. All right, with that being said, peace, my people.